if y'all were wondering why I haven't been posting for like a really long time, it's because I'm in Virginia right now because I live in Alabama, and for spring break we're at my grandpa's house in Virginia. So yeah, that's why I haven't been posting, and I honestly forgot because we've been so busy. But no, we're not busy right now today. So I was just gonna say hi to y'all and because get to know y'all better. If y'all are new to my channel, my name's Skylar, as y'all probably saw. My name's Skylar, but my nickname's Sky, so I just put it as my Simply Sky because I don't want it to be Simply Skylar. That doesn't really rhyme. So yeah, Skylar. And the reason I'm wearing short sleeves, if you live in Alabama, you'll know that it has been freezing outside. But in Virginia, it is so hot. Like, I'm wearing pants, and we went over to see my neighbor's dogs and hang out with my neighbors. It is 90 degrees outside. And in Alabama, it's always 50 something. Maybe it's better now. I haven't been to Alabama in a couple of days because we've been here for a couple of days, but we're always busy and I forgot to video. So I'm just gonna video, but first I have to pour this delicious Coke. If you're wondering, I don't know if I said this on any of my previous videos, but if you're new, Dr. Pepper is my favorite soda. It's just we ran out of Dr. Pepper, so I'm gonna have to drink a Coke. But Coke is still delicious. So let's go. Get a Coke, Coke. Where is it? Where are the cups? I never really get my own cups right here because my grandpa always gets them for me. And it's really tall, so I got a little glass because I can't have the whole Coke because it's a big Coke. If it was one of those mini Cokes, then my grandpa would let me have it. But it's not really good. And my brother, the reason that my grandpa normally lets me have really big sodas, but my brother got sick from drinking all these sodas and Takis and candies, and he had the stomach bug from it. So, and I'm a kid, so I don't really eat a lot. So, my brother used to do it with his teeth. I hate when people do it with their teeth. I'm always scared to pop it open. Oh my gosh, it's so filled. This could be a good ASMR. Oh my gosh, the whole cup. I'm just gonna put this much, and the rest I'll have later. Crispy from the can, but I like it. The bubbles just sprayed in my face. I'm gonna go put these in the fridge. Be right back. So I got my Coke, and we're gonna go in the room with my cousin and my brother because we're probably gonna play games. Oh my gosh, I don't know where the cap to my lotion went. But it's okay. Probably on the floor somewhere. Crispy, I haven't had a Coke in forever. Let me sit by her. Cameron.
No, you can sit right there.
I'm just gonna go. I'm actually not going in there because my brother is running my spot. I've already told my brother this. Don't go in my spot. If you wanna lay somewhere, then just lay in your room. I'm gonna sit in here because it's honestly better vibes in here. Kind of, no, not really. It's just it's my room. At my grandpa's house, it is. Crispy, is it just me? I used to play Among Us so much. And I honestly forgot about it because I deleted it. Oh, don't fall. Because I deleted it. But then I got it back yesterday night. Because I forgot how to play with it. And then my cousin taught me. Because she remembered. I am obsessed with it. And I honestly love Roblox so much. But I like Among Us more than Roblox. Even though I'm obsessed with Roblox. Like, who's not obsessed with Roblox? But I know Among Us isn't that popular anymore. But in my eyes, it's so good. And the thing is, I didn't know I had any outfits. But then I looked in my inventory from last time, and I wish I could screen share. Let me just. Okay, I think you can only screen share with my phone. I'll just screen share with my phone. But I'm gonna maybe one day, I'm gonna screen share with y'all and do play Among Us or Roblox or a horror game on Roblox. We played horror games on Roblox last night at 12 at night. It was kind of scary. It jump scared me so much. I was just running, and then it just came up right in my face, and I just fell. And then my cousin threw her phone on the floor. So that was nice. But yeah, this cook is very crispy. So I'm going to try to drink this whole thing without burping. It looks very flat on camera, but it's actually not. Oh my gosh, I feel the burp. I really want to waste it, so I'm just not. I'm not sure how loud my burp is. 3, 2, 1. Y'all really think I'm disgusting? I'm not disgusting. Tell me, I've never done this in my YouTube career. But yes, this is what I did. Should I do a giveaway? And I can put all the giveaway things in here. So whoever comments, subscribes, and likes on this video, I'll try to do a giveaway to y'all. I'll try. And if if it doesn't come to you, tell me in the comments and you can unsubscribe and stuff. Here, this is I will give these away in winter for my winter giveaway. But actually, where did mine go? Because I love this. It's the coconut one. But I can't find my cap. Oh my gosh, my McDonald's toy fell. It's a basketball hoop. Yeah, they don't have those in Alabama, the basketball hoop toys yet, but Virginia does, and your girl, Your girl can pick up anything with her feet. I should be on America's Got Talent because I can pick up anything with my feet. Like if I didn't have arms, I would be a pro at stuff. Thank you, foot. So you're probably like, what's that for? Here what it's for, Gretchen. Where did the ball go? Oh no. That's the whole point. I have everything except for the ball. Did I? Not me. I probably left it in the car. But basically it has a little basketball court and the ball goes in here. It's like the hoops, it's like a really big ball. And then it presses down and the ball flings up and goes in there. It's really cool. But yeah. But anyways, back to what I was saying. Tell me if y'all want a giveaway. Because I will be so happy to give you all a giveaway. By the way, this one is so good. Like so good. I'm just gonna put mine in here. So I'm gonna try to do a giveaway. If I don't, sorry. But I need to tell you all something. My gymnastics bar video, it was like, this is my gymnastics bar. Do you like my feet? That video. If you haven't watched it, pause this video and click on it. It says, this is my gymnastics bar. Do you like my feet? That went basically viral, and like it has so many views now and like a lot of likes. And like I just did it as a joke. But one girl commented on my picture and said, in your last video, I'll like and subscribe if you give me more feet. It was on my picture. Like it was like if you press something, there's 2 pictures and there's like 5 comments on it. That's what I last saw. And it said, I'll like and subscribe if I see more feet. And then it like showed a laughing face. And y'all really liked that video. Like, y'all really liked it. And I'm so grateful. But everybody in like my pictures, like you can press like pictures up there. And you can press them and look at the comments from the picture. And it said, in your last video, I only subscribe, like, and share if I like all your videos and subscribe to you only if you give me more feet. And I want more subscribers, even though I'm so grateful for the 100 and something subscribers I have. But it's just like, we're gonna try. We're really gonna try to get up there, you know? So yeah. So, when I get back to gymnastics at my house, when I get back from Virginia to my house in Alabama, sorry, this is just so good. I'm going to do another gymnastics bar video with my feet. Okay, do y'all really want to see them? No, we're saving them for the video. No, but I literally like forgot that I didn't have any socks on in that video, kind of. And then I just was like walking and y'all could see my feet. And I was like, oh, rough. That was kind of weird. But y'all really seemed to like that video. So I'm going to do another video like that. We're going to the museum tonight. Actually, tell me after this if you want me to do a burping video. I'm gonna burp really loud. I think the comment on this video, I meant like when y'all press it, I think I know what it's gonna say. It's gonna say this. Hey y'all, hope you like my burps. Yes, exactly that. So, I feel this one's coming up. I can't burp. That was a baby burp. Look, okay, one second. I wasn't supposed to have the grass by Okay, hope you like those burps. I mean, I'm a little kiddish. But y'all seem to like my feet. So now you should like my mouth. Because it's going to do a lot of burping. There you go. Anyways, hope you like my burps. See you in the next vlog. Bye! Oh, and make sure to like and subscribe if you want to. Not gonna make you. But see, you'll like my videos. I might do another video today. Anyways, bye!